Here is the Transit. There's the VIN number for you. Got a box on the end of it. Mirror. It is the Transit 350 Power Stroke engine. The interior of the vehicle. $209 miles on it. Starts up just fine. Give you a view of the top here so you can see the top. As you'll notice here, this is where you're going to access your fuel and your diesel exhaust fuel. You have the storage bins here. So bin here. You do have your manual lights modes. You have your mirror controls here. You do have your power window controls here. And then below you'll have your power lock controls. You'll have a cup holder here. Traction control button, and then your defrosting buttons, center stack, your selector, and then down below here will be your climate controls and a 12-volt auxiliary charge port. You also have an auxiliary port to plug into and a USB port to plug into with another 12-volt auxiliary port. View of the passenger side. Your glove box. Very spacious glove box. And then you will also have your passenger airbag on and off. You have your auxiliary control switches down here. You do have your light control switches here. On if you have the door open, and off if you do not. You have your light controls as well. So you have light controls. And again, on if doors open. And if you do not want it on when the door's open, you'll have some overhead storage bins as well. And you have a very large sun visor here. You have the rearview mirror, which you can't really see anything out of the back of it, but it does have a rearview mirror. A view of the mirror for the back exterior. You can just kind of see the blind spot mirror that it has underneath there. And the look of the box truck back end. tires on it. Again, it's very new. We'll back up here so you can get a full view of the back end of the box truck. You have your handles on here. You have your bumper on here. And then you will have your lock mechanism on here as well. Very simple to access. And then you would lift it up. Get another side view of the box truck. As you'll see, you do have lock access to this side door here. The tires in the front, and you will have turn signal indicators on here as well.